Alright, well I figure I'll show you how easy it is to make one of those little washers you were talking about. I hope this is the right style you were thinking. I got SketchUp 2016. Come up here to the circle, and let's say we want it to be 20 millimeters wide. I'll come up here and I drag it like that, and I'll type in 10 because we only need from this distance to this distance. So I'm going to type in 10 and hit enter, and we'll zoom in with this button. So that shows that's our 20 millimeter wide button, or a washer. I'll push pull. Let's say we want it 8 millimeters tall or thick. We'll drag it a little ways and then type in 8. Hit enter, and there's 8 millimeters. Now I'm going to put a guide up here so that it'll snap to the center, right? Like that. Now I'll go up here to circle again. Let's say we want the shoulder, let's say half the distance we want to be the thick part, half the distance the thin part. We'll go here, we'll type in 5, or actually I hit 5 right there. And the through hole, let's say it's got to be 4 millimeters, maybe a little clearance, let's say 4.1. So we'll go here and we'll type in, see, we want that 4.1, so we'll say 2.5. Hit enter. Okay, there's our hole. Now come up here to push pull this little guy. Let's say this is 8 millimeters thick, so let's go 4. Type in, we'll go down a little and then type in 4 and hit enter. There, it snapped to 4. We'll come here, put through hole, we go down a little bit and then type in 8. Hit enter. I will erase this guide real quick. Alright, and there's our, oops, let me scroll this. You can see there's a through hole, and there's all the details that we wanted. And I'll do some measuring just to show you that it's the right dimension. So from here to here, 10 millimeters, that's good. From, let's say, here to here, that's 20, that's good. Yeah. And it's what, 8 millimeters thick, so that's the part you want. Now on your first, when you download SketchUp, you're gonna have to come here to Extension Warehouse, I think is what it's called. I'll open that. Yeah, Extension Warehouse, type in STL, and hit enter. That'll be the search, and you'll want to download one of these. Okay, this SketchUp STL, you want to download that. It'll make you sign in and log in and all this crap to install it, but yeah, it'll work. I'll show you. I've already got it, so it'll tell me uninstall, which I don't want to do. But yeah, you want to it'll say install right over here, and you'll want to do that. And what that'll do is make it so you can export this to wherever you want the file, say your desktop, so you can find it and put it in Cura. So you come up to File, Export STL. We want millimeters and ASC2 or whatever that is. I think they give you a choice too. Oh, no. We want ASC2. We'll hit export to my desktop, and let's call this a washer. Save. That's all there is to it. It's on my desktop now. It's that part, and I can load that directly into Cura. It'll slice it, and then it'll print it. Alright, let me finish this video.